Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab 4 slices of plain white sandwich bread and strip the crusts. This yields the airy, flaky structure you want. Tear each slice into rough chunks. Avoid uniform cubes because flakes form from irregular pieces. Once done, spread the chunks on a sheet pan in a single layer and slide them into an oven set between 230 degrees and 250 degrees F. You heat only to remove moisture, not to toast. And that low temperature preserves the pale, Once the bread is dry to the touch, work quickly. Pulse the chunks in a food processor using 1 to 2 short bursts until you get coarse, irregular flakes. Don't overprocess or you'll make powder. Make sure to stop and inspect the texture. You want airy shards, not breadcrumbs. Spread the flakes back on the pan and dry in the oven for another 10 to 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes so they dry evenly without taking on color. If you lack a processor, a box grater gives the same coarse result. You finish by cooling the flakes completely on a rack so residual heat won't steam them and ruin the crunch. Then transfer to an airtight jar or zip bag. Stored this way, panko stays crisp for about 2 weeks. When using, press flakes gently onto moistened food for adhesion. This creates that signature, shattering crunch. If your crumbs browned or feel greasy, make sure you baked at too low a moisture removal temperature. Lower the oven temp slightly and dry longer, or start with fresher, less oily bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.